See, I can look at it with my eyes this way, and I can tell a little bit more about it from this angle, looking straight down like that. And this actually needs to come back. Either this one needs to come back or this one needs to go forward. One or the other, but they gotta match. I didn't leave myself a lot of room for sanding down to the metal. When I trimmed it with a chisel, I trimmed it a little closer than I probably should have. So I gotta be really careful about sanding very much. All I'm doing is just trying to even this up. Even out those chisel marks. This is probably 150 paper, and wrapped around this stick and about half worn out. There's no way to get to that with it laying flat. Unless I flip it around or flip it up vertically. That little crease right there, besides the fact that it's really hard to get into and get all the little rasp marks and the chisel marks out of it, it has to be the same here and here, which is difficult. You have to look down. From the camera angle, you can see down it, both sides. That has to be symmetrical. It's pretty close. It actually needs this edge here needs to come in just a little tiny bit forward. Just a touch. It's just right along in here. Gotta come forward. But a stick, just a paint stick or any kind of a little stick you can come up with a piece of 120, 150 wrapped around it in several different wraps, it makes you've got a little square edge right there, and you got sandpaper all the way around it, and you can get into there easier with a stick from both sides. From this side and from this side. And it cleans that. It cleans all that out. You can't have any rasp marks or chisel marks down in there. It's got to be slick. So it's a difficult thing to do, but this is the best way I know to do it. But I do really need to bring this forward. And after all that sanding, it pains me to put more rasp marks in there, but I have to do this. The good thing is this is a metal file and it doesn't make terrible marks. They're not that hard to sand out. higher here than here. I was looking at it without the metal in there, and I thought, that thing don't look even. Yeah, that's just higher. It's sitting. It's a good 20 thousandths. What happened is I had never trimmed off this edge with sand. I've sanded this down, and I haven't sanded that, so that's why. I don't finish sanding anything without knowing if it needs it or not. That's still a little bit higher, just from there to there. Just a touch. This part down here is okay. Over here is very good. Little tiny bit right there. There we go. Mikey likes it. That's about how far back that little recess goes on that cone. I've got plenty of wood. I can sand that smooth. I've got plenty of. It's a little close back here, but up here I've got quite a bit. You really need to be careful about using a rasp so close to this area here. This is real hard to clean up anyway, and if you put one little scuff on it, it's quite a while to fix that.